I know that this food challenge thing that I am recording is quite different than what I normally do or what my channel was set up to do in the first place. So, just with life's challenges, having secondary progressive multiple sclerosis, and moving into and living in a stationary 26-foot 1998 Jayco Eagle is just part of the challenge. Oops, I had a little sneeze there and had to pause it for a moment. Anyway, nonetheless, the whole thing is that I needed to live a more simple life, and this is part of doing that. It was exaggerated to be a little bit more challenging because of the incredible expenses over the last month, but things I had to put on credit card, which I don't want to do. Anyway, I'm trying to make sure to stick with it. So here I am in my little home, and this is my lunch today. And so part of this is being retired, living stationary in a small home, and trying to make sure to keep my expenses at a minimum. And so this is really just helping me to do this a little bit more diligently, be a little bit more self-disciplined about it. And I want to be able to do this with what I already have in the house right now and build some really good habits. So right now, this is going to be my lunch, and I have some au gratin potatoes and ground beef and onions, and this is left over. I made some the other day. I ended up getting 4 meals out of it. I ate one. I had 3 in the refrigerator today. This is one of them. And I still had tomato left from what my friend gave me from her garden. Some of them, excuse me, were green and had turned red, so I can use them that way. But I'm also trying to make sure not to gain weight and hopefully even lose weight. So what I'm doing is these starchier, heavier carb type foods I'm going to be having at lunch. Also making sure that I've got good quantity, a good portion size that's not too much. And then in the evenings it'll be more vegetables or just plain meat, and really trying to stay away from carbs in the evening. But I just thought I would share this with you. I hope everybody's having a good day. Take care.